Year 3, hello Year 4. Hope you've all had a really lovely snow day today and enjoyed the snow. What we're going to do in today's lesson is we are going to have a little revision on all the things that we have learned so far, rejiggling the memory, and then hopefully next week we're going to have a look at simple rhythmic notation and composition. So let's start off with the chant of all the notes. So here we go. I'm going to start us off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Semi-breaths last for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Semi-breaths last for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minims 2 beats. Minims 2 beats. 1, 2, 1, 2. Minims 2 beats. Minims 2 beats. 1, 2, 1, 2. Semi-breaths 4 beats. Semi-breaths 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Crotchets last for 1 beat each. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Crotchets last for 1 beat each. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minims 2 beats. Minims 2 beats. 1, 2, 1, 2. Minims 2 beats. Minims 2 beats. 1, 2, 1, 2. Semi-breaths 4 beats. Semi-breaths 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quavers last for half a beat each. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and quavers last for half a beat each. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and crotchets 1 beat. Crotchets 1 beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minims 2 beats. Minims 2 beats. 1, 2, 1, 2. Minims 2 beats. Minims 2 beats. 1, 2, 1, 2. Semi-breaths 4 beats. Semi-breaths 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Semi-quavers last for quarter of a beat each. Semi-quavers last for quarter of a beat each. Semi-quavers last for quarter of a beat each. Quavers half a beat. Quavers half a beat. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3. Quavers half a beat. Quavers half a beat. 2, 3. 2 and 3 and crotchets 1 beat. Crotchets 1 beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Minims 2 beats. Minims 2 beats. 1, 2, 1, 2. Minims 2 beats. Minims 2 beats. 1, 2, 1, 2. Semi-breaths 4 beats. Semi-breaths 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See how it goes. See how it goes. Have fun with those. Have fun with those. Okay, so I hope you got on okay with that. And now what you need for this part, because I'm going to do like a little quiz on all the things that we've talked about so far, you do need either a whiteboard and a marker or a pencil and piece of paper. And if you want to pause the video so you can get your things, so you'll be ready for the next part of the lesson. Okay, so I have done us a little quiz, and it's in two parts. And the first section is out of 10. Okay, now some of the questions you have to fill in the missing word. Now, I'm not interested in how you spell the word, as long as you've got the idea of the word, because some of them are a bit tricky to spell. So it's not a spelling test. I just want to make sure you know the words. Okay, and then I'm just going to warn you, I am going to mark this quite strictly. So some of the questions, it might say how long a certain note is worth. I don't just want the number. You'd get half a point for the number if it's correct, but I want what we measure the notes in, and that will get you the full point. And you should know what that word is because we've just been singing it in our chant. Okay, so here comes number one. And number one is I want you to give me the missing word. So the missing word, grandad. Number one, grandad. So obviously the missing word is where I put my hand out. Grandad. That's number one. Number two, how long does that note last for? How long does that note last for? Okay. Number three, fill in the missing word. Mummy. Mummy. Number four, how long does that note last for? How long does that note last for? Number five, Christopher. Christopher. How long does that note last for? Number six. So number six, how long does that note last for? Number seven, Queenie. Queenie. Number eight, how long does that note last for? How long does that note last for? Number nine, Sandra. Sandra. How long? Number 10, how long does that note last for? How long does that note last for? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the questions again to make sure everyone's matching mine. And if somebody wants to pause the video in between each one, that's absolutely fine. So number one, fill in the missing word where my hand is. Grandad. Grandad. Number two, how long does that note last for? Number two, how long does that note last for? Number three, mummy. Mummy. Number four, how long does that note last for? How long does that note last for? Number five, Christopher. Christopher. Number six, how long does that note last for? How long does that note last for? Number seven, Queenie. Queenie. Number eight, how long does that note last for? How long does that note last for? Number nine, Sandra. Sandra. And number 10, how long does that note last for? How long does that note last for? Okay, I'm going to give you the answers. So for one beat, the missing word, grandad. Oh, I can hear you all saying it. Semi-brief, 1 point. How long does that note last for? Semi-briefs last for 4 beats. 4 beats. Okay, if you book 4, half a mark. If you've got 4 beats, full mark. Okay, number 3, mummy. Oh yes, I can hear you. Minim, mummy, minim. Okay, how long does that note last for? Number 4, minims, 2 beats, minims, 2 beats. There you go. So the chant does work. Okay, number 5. Fill in the missing word. Christopher Crotchet. Christopher Crotchet. Crotchets last for 1 beat each. That's the answer to number 6. Okay. Number 7. Queenie Quaver. Think of the bag of crisps. That's right. And number 8. How long does that note last for? Quavers half a beat. Quavers half a beat. Okay. Number 9 with the 2 pigtails. Sandra semi-quaver. Brilliant. Okay. And number 10. How long does that note last for? Semi-quavers last for 1/4 of a beat each. Okay. So that's the first part of the quiz. Are we ready for the next? Okay. So here we go. Now, so this is where we're going to do some drawing, hopefully. Okay, so could you please draw me a semi-breve? What does a semi-breve look like? Okay, have you drawn it? Number 1, and it looks like that. Okay, and that's worth 1 point to you if you've got that right. Okay, now I'm going to mix them up. So, could you please draw me a semi-quaver for number 2? Could you please draw me a semi-quaver? Okay, I'm going to draw it the other way as well because you might have done that. Either will do. It's still 1 point even if you've drawn me 2. Okay, so there you go. Number 2. The 2 semi-quavers can either have a hair up or a hair down. Okay. Number 3. Could you draw me a mummy minim? I'll draw it both ways. Number 3. Okay, so she either is very good at yoga with her leg up in the air or very good at balancing like a flamingo. Alright, for 1 point you've got either of those. And number 4, oh, could you please draw me a crotchet? Do the same. Number 4. Okay. And I'm wondering if you worked out what's missing. Number 5. Quaver. Can you draw me a quaver? Okay, and I've done it both ways. And ponytail up or ponytail down. Number 5. Okay, so the test was out of 15. You'll have to let me know how you got on. I hope you did really well. Should have done with all this chanting we've been doing. Okay, so I'm going to sing good day to you now, and we'll see you next week with something a little bit different. And keep on chanting the note chant, and it'll help you to be familiar with how long the notes are, how they feel, and how they feel when you clap them. Okay, so good day to you. 1 pat and 1, 2 claps, and I'm going to count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Pat. 1, 2. Pat. 1, 2. Good day to you. Good day, oh dippy do. Good day to you. Good day, oh dippy do. Dip, 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 dippy do, oh dippy do. A dip, 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 dippy do, oh dippy do. Just shoulders, take care and stay safe. Bye for now. Bye.